This is John Deere Sabre, 17.5 horsepower engine. The symptoms were the engine was spewing oil from the fuel pump, which is right there behind the blower fan. And based on the diagnostics or on YouTube, many people suggested the reason is a blown up gasket. And I just open up this engine and I see a lot of pieces missing from this gasket. They were left like this, broken, and the head came out very easily like a butter, and it left pieces on the side. Looks like oil was accumulated this side, and if you see this right here, oil is here, and it was sucking in oil and putting into the fuel line, pressurizing it. So that was the reason from the blow-by tube. If you notice, here's the blow-by. It goes to the carburetor, and I believe this is the path it takes through the carburetor into the fuel pump. So I have a gasket. I'm going to remove the gasket, scrape it out, the residue, and put the newer one, and then we will put it back. We did the compression test before opening the head, and the compression test, the gauge says 45 psi. It's supposed to be above 100. So we did the before compression test, and now once we install this, we will do the after compression test and see what is the difference. If there's a difference is significant, above 100, from 45 to above 100, then it means it works perfectly fine, and that was the reason for that issue. So I'm going to put it back and update you later. Bye.